Welcome to Civil Pathshala. Today, Civil Pathshala presents Types of Beams in Civil Engineering.
We'll learn about types of beams, one of the most important structural elements in civil engineering.
What is a beam? A beam is a structural member designed to carry loads, mainly by bending.
A beam is a horizontal structural member that carries loads acting perpendicular to its length. In simple words, beams transfer the load from slabs or roofs to columns or walls.
Classification of beams.
Beams can be classified in many ways, by their supports, shapes, geometry, or material. But let's focus on the types of beams based on support conditions, which are most important for beginners.
Types of beams based on support.
A simply supported beam rests freely on supports at both ends. It can rotate but cannot move vertically. This is the most common and basic type of beam. B. Cantilever beam. A cantilever beam is fixed at one end and free at the other. It can resist bending and shear. Balcony slabs and bridge decks often use this type.
Fixed beam.
A fixed beam has both ends rigidly fixed. It cannot rotate or move its supports. It offers greater rigidity and less deflection.
Continuous beam.
Beam supported on more than two supports. When a beam extends over more than two supports, it's called a continuous beam. These are common in bridges and multi-span structures.
Summary.
Simply supported beam, cantilever beam, fixed beam, continuous beam. Thanks for watching Civil Pathshala. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy lessons in civil engineering.